Hi guys, today's video is this powerful natural hair growth spray that will help in promoting thicker, longer and stronger hair. If you're experiencing hair thinning, then this spray is for you. You really need to try this out. So guys, just keep watching. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe and hit the like button. So guys, without further ado, let's get started with the preparation of this hair growth spray. Our first ingredient is onion. Onion is really good for our natural hair growth. I'm using the regular purple onion that is very common here in Nigeria. You can use any onion that is available to you. Onions provide extra sulfur to support stronger and thicker hair, therefore preventing hair loss and promoting healthy hair growth. Onion work really well to prevent hair thinning. If you have not tried it before, please consider using onion. I'm going to be adding a few other natural ingredients to this hair growth spray to make it more effective. So continue watching, and while you're watching, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and do well to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when there's a new video on this channel. So guys, after chopping the onions, I went ahead and poured it into a pot, and I'm adding the next ingredient, which is rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I'm using the normal white rice. Guys, I know we are all very familiar with the benefit of rice. Like, rice helps in growing longer, thicker hair. I have used rice severally. I've used rice water, and I know there are thousands of people that have also benefited from rice water. It helps in growing longer and thicker hair. Let me know in the comment section if you have used rice water before and what was your result. Was it good for you? Was it bad? Just let's talk in the comment section. And of course guys, I also added my favorite ingredient, which is clove, and I also added fenugreek. Guys, clove is really essential in growing your natural hair. I have a video of how to make clove water on this channel, so do well to check it out. And fenugreek is also very good in treating scalp issues like dryness and hair thinning. It moisturizes the hair. So guys, what we have here is fenugreek, onion, rice, and of course clove. So I went ahead to add 500 ml of water and I let it boil for 15 minutes. After letting this boil on a low heat for 15 minutes, this is what we have. Everything here is soft, so the water is now brownish in color. So I'll just go ahead and filter this. Since we are making hair growth spray, we are going to be needing only the water. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick demo of how I apply this hair growth spray to my hair. So this is the protective style I've been using in the past 2 weeks. I am just going to go ahead and spray this hair growth spray all over my hair and making sure I'm also applying it on my scalp. Then I'll go ahead and massage my scalp very well. So guys, if you're worried about the smell of onion, I can assure you that this was odorless because we added other ingredients to this spray, and I also used rosemary oil. So this was totally odorless. Just make sure you try it and you will love it. So let me take this moment to remind you again, please, if you have watched to this point and you're not subscribed, please, there's a red subscribe button by the right side of this video. Click on the red subscribe button and make sure to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button for me so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people who will benefit from it. So it was really pretty simple to make this spray, and the application is also simple. You can use this spray and leave it overnight and wash it out the next day, but I am not going to be washing out my own till the next wash day, which is going to be like after a week. And I'm going to be using this spray twice in a week. So guys, after applying my spray, I went ahead to apply my neem oil to keep my hair moisturized. The link of this neem oil is going to be in the description box. Make sure you check it out and also see how to make your own neem oil, because neem oil is loaded with lots of benefits for your natural hair and it's really simple and easy to make. So I just went ahead and applied the neem oil all over my scalp, and I also massaged it all over my hair. So guys, it was really this simple and quick. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate you all and I love you all so much. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.